Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore an essential task in QuickBooks Online, which is exporting your chart of accounts. This can be particularly useful for creating backups or sharing your financial data. But before we jump into the action, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures and keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. We appreciate your ongoing support and cannot wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Now let's get right into it. So, basically, if you wanted to put the or export the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online, it involves breaking down the process into a clear step-by-step methods, right? So all you gotta do is log in to your QuickBooks Online. So if you haven't already, just create one. It's simple, it's super fast, and yeah. On the other hand, the reason why most people wanted to create backups is that in case of data loss or accidental changes, you can easily restore your accounts using the exported file, and it's a common practice, usually from the industry and the companies when working with accountants or tax professionals or finance advisors. They can use the data to prepare financial statements, tax returns, and make financial recommendations. So basically, you can export the chart of accounts to perform more advanced data analysis in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. And this, in return, can help you identify trends, track expenses, and make informed financial decisions. And actually, if you are required to custom financial reports that aren't readily available in QuickBooks Online, you can export your chart of accounts and use it as a basis for creating tailored reports. The software does that for you, right? So it gives you consistency in your financial data as well. So if you're using the same version that I have, your dashboard or interface would look like this. And all you gotta do is hover here to where it says transactions and go to chart of accounts. So I just wanted to add that exporting the chart of accounts periodically allows you to maintain historical records. You can compare, changes in account balances over time, which can be helpful for tracking financial growth or identifying discrepancies. Because most of the time nowadays, if you are collaborating with team members, partners, or stakeholders or financial matters, sharing the exported chart of accounts can improve transparency and facilitate discussions, right? Because essentially you are keeping the exported file as a quick reference for account details, and it can be handy when you need to access specific account information without logging into QuickBooks Online. Because in the event of a data loss or a system failure, having an exported chart of accounts can be a crucial part of your disaster recovery plan, helping you quickly rebuild your financial records. So remember to always maintain the security and confidentiality of your exported chart of accounts, since it contains sensitive financial information. Store it in a secure location, and if you share it with others, do so only with trusted individuals who have a legitimate need for the data. And so let's say in this one, you can actually, after choosing the type, you can click on the run report. It'll take a little while to load. All right. Now, when you are there, all I gotta do is you see some options here at the upper right, which says more actions. You can actually email the chart of this or to add to management reports, but we're not gonna deal with that. All we gotta do is hover here to the export. So you have now you have you were given a plenty of options to export to Excel, export as CSV, or export to PDF. Let's say export PDF is it gives you a preview of what you are gonna send. Let's say you have options here for different orientation, or just click the export Excel here and then save and send, and that's just it. Thank you for joining us today. If you find this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks online tutorials. We are so happy that our small community is growing bigger each and every day. And if you have any questions or feedback, just leave it in the comments below. I'm happy to read all of them. And until next time, happy bookkeeping and see you on the next video.